My name is Amit Kapil. I represent Kapara India. Kapara, it's in UK multinational spread across various regions. It was good to see the various product portfolios which have been shown by HP. Quite impressed with the technology in terms of the 3D images and how it helped the engineering to come out with the product which is more efficient and which delivers more performance. Uh, Another, I think, in today's world, one of the biggest requirement of any organization or SME is to, have an less ownership on the assets and focus more on the core competency, which is manufacturing. And I think we're quite impressed to see that HP has a model, in which they are taking a full ownership of an assets, and they do bring in the value additions in terms of visibility, bringing down your cost of ownership by 10 to 15% over 3 to 4 years, and ensuring that you remain compliant in terms of and you licenses and you upgrade or refresh your technology as the world changes. So in terms of when we talk about manufacturing, we do invest, we do refresh our equipments or our technology as it comes from the the market. But I think in terms of IT, it makes an very important that we change as our business moves on. Because if we are not able to keep a pace with the way the industry is moving, I think we'll be lagging behind. And IT in today's world is no more a cost center; it is a profit center. It's an enabler. It works. It ensures that the business works on IT. So I think it was a good show put by HP, and thank you HP and the partners for hosting this up. Thank you.
I am Atul Batra from Arjun Auto, manufacturer of automotive sheet metal components. This is a very nice program, and what I liked about the program today was that it covered a large number of topics in a very simple manner. One need not be a technical person to understand the technical concepts explained, and even the concepts like CAD were and how the modern advancements in CAD have taken place were explained in a simple manner which even a person from finance background could understand. Very nice program. Thank you.
Myself Dharmesh, I'm CIO Ask Automotive. These kind of events will help industry, and will see many more events from the cyber media on manufacturing 4.0, SAP HANA, and the latest technology trend that are helpful to the industry for automation, and help organizations to reduce their work pressure and many more modern IT infrastructure in the organization.
I'm Natarajan. I represent Roop Automotives Limited. We are placed at Sona, and we have around 3 plants across India. We are an auto manufacturing company. We have an R&D in place. So for that, we have a design team of around 30 to 40 people. So that's where we got an opportunity to visit this seminar. I appreciate HP and the team with the innovation what they have showcased today. So this kind of innovations, IT will be really beneficial in terms of auto industry is concerned. Thank you so much. Thanks for entertaining and hosting us here. Thank you so much.
Rajiv Kumar, I am heading Satyam Auto Components Limited's IT. So, this event is very helpful for automobile manufacturing sector, because it focused on how to collaborate the hardware along with the software. To using that kind of technology, the HP has offered. It is quite, it's a state of the art. It's a very scalable, very reliable. So it definitely will going to be a huge success for any automobile sector. Thanks.